What's up, everybody? We are halfway through the summer here at Colton RV and Marine, and we want to bring you a couple boats that are still on our lot, ready for you guys to take home. And behind us, what we're going to take you through today is one of our most luxurious pontoons left on the lot. It is obviously a Barletta, but in the trim level, you're going to be up in the Lusso. So the Lusso has a lot of options on it. We're going to take you through in this video and show you why it is one of our nicest boats left on the lot this year. But what this is a 2026 Lusso, Barletta Lusso 23UC. So it's a 23 footer. It is a ultra lounger in the back, but we're gonna take you through the exterior first. It is awesome. So obviously it's a black boat, and what I like about these boats is they are metallic flake, guys. So in the sunlight, it will shimmer on the water. Looks really, really nice. It is incorporated with the blackout package. So the blackout package is all the black rails on your rail skin and your skirt. And then what you guys see is this one does have black pontoons. We are now a new Vantage dealer, and we decided to put a display, a Vantage kit on a display boat. And what you have here is it's a protectant. So resale value makes your boat look really nice. This layout is the carbon fiber look. You get a nice little bumper here, saves from dock rash sitting in the water. And we put them on about half of our boats right now. So it's a good add-on. This boat comes with it. And it's a great aesthetic piece while you're going down the water too. Coming back to the back, since we have you guys back here, this boat does have a monster. It is a Mercury 350 V10. So yes, it is a 50-mile-an-hour pontoon boat, and it has all the power in the world. You'll get a lot of questions on the 350 and the 400 V10, but great power source here. You can tell it is on the trailer. This boat does have underwater LEDs, so when you're sitting at the restaurant or cruising at night, the whole back of the boat will illuminate. We did get the stanchion kit on here, so when you guys are riding aft, watching your riders, you are safe, you won't get pulled over or anything. But the chains are really easy. When you're at the cove, you're just gonna unlock them, loop them back here, and the whole back will open up. We'll show you that when we get in the interior. One thing I do like on the back of the boats though, they incorporate a ski locker in the swim deck, which you can put ropes, fenders, water shoes in there, and it keeps all the stuff that you use in the water back and not into the boat. So let's take you guys through here. The boat, you can see, does have a sport bimini, so it mimics an arch, opens up aft, great coverage under that. You can see the beefy doors you have on the Lusso. And then when you come in, we'll start with the bow. Once you're in the Lusso series, you do get multiple ski lockers. So you get basically like what I use it as an anchor locker up in the front here. And then you can tell with the bow, with the way the seats are cut. That's why I like the Lusso. The furniture is cut in different ways. And when you're on a pontoon, sometimes you'll see long benches, like straight cut benches. You can tell this furniture piece is cut here. And to the modest boater, not a big deal. For somebody like myself that sells these every day, the purpose of that cut is when you sit in a corner of a boat, you can actually sit here comfortably, instead of if this pad ran straight across, I'd be sitting like side saddle. So Barletta looks into all the comfort seating, and it's really nice. What you're also seeing too is double stitching everywhere. Obviously, as you get up and use the boat over the years, single stitch boats pull apart. You can tell Barletta will double stitch everything. Now what you see in the bow also, everybody's attached to their phones. So each side has a USB port for your riders to either change the music or check their messages. What you'll also see in the Lusso is cup holders, stainless steel cup holders up in the front, and then you'll see these nice JBL speakers that this boat has. This boat also has a subwoofer in it. And then moving back through the boat, the Lusso, the UC has a dual helms captain's section. And that is what a lot of people like. This seat will swivel all the way around. So you guys got to remember, when you're enjoying the boat and I'm riding, you have a driver, I can relay messages back to the driver, which takes us back into the back of the boat. So the biggest reason why either it's an Aria, a Cabrio, a Corsa, or a Lusso, the UC is the best-selling floor plan. You guys know why. We've done a couple of videos, but obviously this pad's gonna lay aft so you can watch your riders. Now, if you want to lay in the boat, this is gonna unlock, lay completely flat. And now, another reason why people will buy the Barletta Lusso, you have the jump seats in the back. So you can lay aft in both. So you can pick these up here, lay into the boat. You can sit aft with jump seats. And then my favorite setup is the setup I'm setting up here. So somebody can lay straight, lounging into the boat with the sun, with the canopy open, staying under shade, and somebody can enjoy the back of the boat still while people enjoying the back. They're this easy. You just pop those stanchions down, clip the button, and lay them flat. And you can move this around 100 different ways, and it is effortlessly. And you're just gonna pop that snap back on the back side and throw it down. And then again, you just come up here. There's no unlocking. You're just gonna pull it up and push it back. So it's a really nice, easy way to configure that. And then we'll show you the back before we go to the dash. The back, guys, is where everybody hangs out on boats. We'll go over the chains again. The chains are really easy to use. We'll show you how this boat just opens up when you're at the cove. And then you're back to the back of the boat. And then a couple things that this boat has that you can enjoy at the cove is you have the ghost mounts on the floor. Lily Pad is a big vendor for Barletta, so you can get the Lily Pad diving board, you can get the Lily Pad flagpole, you can also put a grill back here. And then talking about Lily Pad 2, they have the best ladders in the industry. Barletta is partners with them. You just flip this down, and then Mike could probably shoot that to see the angle of the ladder. The Lily Pad ladder is nice. It comes down at an L, so when you're using it in the water, it feels like you're walking up a staircase instead of those old school telescoping ladders. So it's a nice feature to have. And you can tell all the stainless back here just makes the boat pop a lot more. So you got stainless steel stanchion chains, the stainless steel grab rails on your handles, you got the stainless steel ski tow bar, and then everybody's wondering, Jim, what are these baskets back here? They're fender baskets. So when you're done with your fenders, just pop them up in there and they're stowed away. But my favorite part about the Lusso is the dash. So they made it a completely digital dash, and you guys can see here how it looks. You guys do have a glove box down below, but they do a floating dash, but incorporated with it being digital. So you have a couple functions through here. Obviously all your digital gauges, you can set that a couple different ways. Almost come over here and it just works like your SIMRAD. You got navigation and maps there. You can also come to your SIMRAD and have navigation there. This is also a fish finder as well. You know, fish will come up. We're not sitting in the water, but it's a great unit to have. And then along with the dash, like everybody, they give you a spot for your wallet and your keys, so you get a little bit of storage up in the dash. Now at night, this will all illuminate blue, and then this boat also has interior floor lights with the underwater lights. So at night, this thing is awesome sitting at a bar or in a cove. Now with the 350, Mercury 350, this also has active trim. So over here, guys, your throttle's a little bit different. You can hit these buttons here and it will react accordingly with how you're running, how much weight's on the boat, and trim itself out. So that's a nice added feature for the user. And then you guys can see how big this boat is. It's a 23-footer. You're a little bit bigger than that with the engine, but it's a great 13-passenger boat. And if you guys have any questions, you can call myself. We're here every day at Colton RV and Marine besides Sunday, and the best number to reach us at is 716-694-0188, and we'll catch you out on the water.